Dakota pickup for the Mopar fans. 1982 Dodge D150 pickup, two-wheel drive, regular cab. 225 or 3.7 liter slant 6 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, and that's paired up with a manual transmission with overdrive. Let's take a look at the front chrome on the bumper. Check out the grille, headlight surrounds. And why not? The Dodge Ram up front. If you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video, and the description is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing wheels. 5-spoke polish, disc brakes up front. White with the red pinstripe scheme. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little closer. It's a split bench seat up front, cloth. And as you can see, tonneau cover, 3-door tonneau cover, sliding rear window. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. I do have still pictures, and with all the still pictures of the bed, has a bed mat in it and full-size spare. And check it out in the still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's check down the driver's side of this vehicle. Also appears to be straight. Just had tires put on and alignment done in 2021. This vehicle actually spent the majority of its time in Oregon before coming to the Midwest. May have a good reason why it looks as good as it does. Appears that it has had a repaint along the way. Interior, here's that split bench seat setup I was talking about in cloth, the center fold down armrest. Have had the wipers work, radio work, blower fan was working. Little aftermarket gauge cluster. Let's fire this up so you can hear it run. Again, 225 slant 6. Manual transmission with overdrive. Here's gas gauge is working. Went up. Clean Carfax too, no accidents indicated. Look at the top of the dash. Aftermarket gauge cluster down there with temp gauge and check oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. Stereo system. Fire station comes in. There we go. So stereo in working order. Seating surface really doesn't show much for any wear, rips or tears. Door closes nicely. See how it sounds. Cool sounding truck. Let me slip up to the front, pause this video a moment, pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap it up. On the side of the hood, looking nice and clean. And here it is. Again, power steering, power brakes. There's also a battery disconnect over here. That's slant 6. Running smooth. Again, lots of pictures of this truck online, undersides, interior, bed. uniqueclassiccars.com. 1982 Dodge D50 two-wheel drive regular cab pickup. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1982 Dodge D150 pickup truck. This truck has very smooth riding suspension. Starts up and idles real good right away. It is a 4-speed on the floor. 4th gear is labeled overdrive. Our radio is working good. The blower motor does also work. And the wipers are working. Our fuel gauge is reading just under half, and the battery gauge is right in the middle of the charging gauge. Speedometer does work. Our turn signals both work. Once you get used to where the gears are in this truck, it is easy to drive. They're a little close together. That's my first day driving it. Little wind whistle from one of these quarter windows. Other than that, it's a nice ride. Stays straight in the lane. Very smooth. Good suspension for road driving. There is a remote for the radio. There is an aftermarket delay for the wipers. Oil pressure is reading about 50. Temperature appears to have come up to about 150 on the aftermarket gauge down below. That may not be accurate. Good running truck. Check out this Dodge D150 at uniqueclassiccars.com.